Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Planbag Canvas Duffel Bag for travel. This is a stylish and almost retro-looking duffel bag that's well suited to the traveler about town. Made from high-density 16-ounce, 100% cotton canvas, and featuring classical bronze tone hardware, this bag is as stylish as it is practical. Crafted with classical canvas and sturdy hardware, Planbag 50 liters duffel bag is a practical and multifunctional bag for travel, weekend, camping, hiking, gym, etc. Padded handle offers comfort when carrying the bag by hand and may release the stress from the bag. 4 wear-resistant rubber mat at the bottom protect the bag from damage. 2-way zipper top closures and multiple pockets design. The zips are all large zipper, which are smooth to pull. There are 2 zippers on each side used to expand the capacity of the luggage bag, 4 high-quality plastic cushions at the bottom and bottom with film protection, which makes the bag well resistant to dirty. This multifunctional travel duffel bag comes with rounded stitched grip handles and padded, adjustable, removable shoulder strap buckle. It's suitable for men and women on traveling, camping, business, sporting, etc. For details, let's watch more. Our second best duffel bag for travel is KPL 21-inch vintage leather duffel. This vintage style leather duffel bag is a real classic. Made from genuine, full-grain leather. With one large compartment that will hold your clothes, shoes, and toiletries, you can keep the remaining 2 side zipper pockets free for items you need instant access to, such as your passport, cell phone, or wallet. The interior is also fully lined with canvas, giving more practicality and a high-end feel. The leather color can vary between darker and lighter hues due to the handcrafted nature of the tanning process. As this vintage duffel bag ages, it will slowly develop a deeper and richer patina, adding even more vintage character to the bag. Must-have baggage item for travel. Also great for road trips, weekend vacations, and overnight stay. From tennis to basketball, this bag is essential for sports and recreation. The size and portability of duffel bag makes it easy to fill with gear and throw over your shoulder on the way to the big game. An ideal gym bag because it's spacious and easy to clean. It can hold gym clothes, an extra set of street clothes, shoes and personal items, etc. Third pick in our list is Olympia Rolling Duffel Bag. With reasonable price tag, Olympia's rolling duffel is an incredibly great value for a duffel bag with wheels. This rolling duffel is constructed of Supreme Protectlon polyester with 1200D poly. Recessed metal ball bearing inline skate wheels. Hideaway retractable handle. A total of 8 convenient pockets allow for maximum packing versatility and makes a perfect travel or school duffel. Olympia's signature 8 pockets provide maximum packing capacity and efficient organization. Locking push-button retractable handle allows easy maneuver, and its hideaway zipper pocket allows secured travel when needs to be checked in. Reinforced recessed metal ball bearing inline skate wheels for maximum travel mileage. Number 4 in our side is Samsonite Duffel Bag. This convertible duffel bag is so versatile, it can be carried in 3 different ways: handheld, shoulder, or crossbody. One of its notable features is the large zippered compartment on the bottom, which keeps your shoes and dirty clothes separate from the rest of your items. This duffel has a top zipper closure and includes an interior zippered pocket for small accessories and an exterior pocket for easy access to items that you don't want to search for in the bottom of the bag. When not in use, this duffel collapses for space-saving storage.
The toe-to-ton duffel bag weighs next to nothing. And yet, it can hold up to 50 pounds of your belongings. Weighing in at only 1 pound, this duffel has the packing capacity of a trunk with over 6,000 cubic inches of space, but can easily be folded away for storage when not in use. It's perfect for kids heading off to summer camp, students going off to college, or even storing stuff around the house. Its uses are endless. It has a top carry handle that lets you lift and carry the bag with ease. It comes in a variety of great colors so you can choose the bag that best fits your personal style. Tote a Ton can carry anything, keeping you ready for anywhere.
Number 5 in our top 5 best duffel bag for travel list is Marmot Long Hauler Travel Duffel Bag. This duffel bag is made from 1000D 100% polyester with TPE laminate, making it super strong and able to withstand the bumps and knocks of domestic or international adventures. The lining is wipeable nylon, which is great for internal leaks, while the bag is reinforced with 100% ballistic nylon. Extra durable, water-resistant bi-tech fabric, bar-tack reinforcements at all stress points, lockable, self-repairing, and a storm flap for water protection. This wheeled duffel has oversized, heavy-duty, treaded wheels in a protective wheel housing and a durable kick plate for smooth mobility and maximum durability. Uncompromised protection while you travel with the rugged and dependable bi-tech fabric. Bag dimensions. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.